this is what we think AI can do. This is what we want to use the tool for. And then within those confines, allow people to choose a tool that's best for them, but give them the direction and the understanding of what this is really designed to do in order to really unlock what the potential of this tool is. In a lot of ways, that fragmentation is not only ineffective in terms of being able to engender change, but I think it's dangerous as well. People don't understand what these tools are capable of. They don't have the right governance in order to be able to use them in a way that's not dangerous. And at the same time, there's so many other aspects of what makes AI effective that you have to set up in the back. The data infrastructure, the ability for these tools to talk together. If you just throw a bunch of different random tools at people and expect them to figure it out, it's going to end in chaos.
Yeah, and grief,
That's right.
people crying and quitting.
Of course.
Yeah, so is Accenture then in a bit in orchestration? Are you guys working on orchestration for?
I mean, that's one of the things that I think LearnVantage has the advantage of, is being part of the larger Accenture machine means that we are part of the larger workflow that any company going through a transformation is able to tap into.
Okay.
So we start off with the assessment for the client, and this is not just for talent, but for the technology. Are you prepared to go through this AI transformation?
Right.
We're able to identify those weak points, and then with our other tools, we can start to automate processes, identify where in the org chart things need to change and what kind of roles are going to be possible.
Okay.
And then where LearnVantage comes in is at the end of any kind of technology implementation. So we start with the installation, we go through the strategy, we implement all of that. The training and certification is what de-risks that technology investment and allows the client to be able to stand on their own 2 feet and for the impact of that technology to actually take place.
Okay.
So we provide that end-to-end reinvention solution.